So the menu bar add-on allows you to display a small menu right underneath your header. If you'd like to activate this, all you have to do is head into the theme settings, go into the Debutify add-ons, and then just activate menu bar. To activate it, once you're in menu bar, just click select menu, and then pick from any of the menus that you've already created, and it will display right here. Home, catalog, and pages. If you want to create a menu, just head to online store, navigation, and then hit add menu. You can create any menu item just by clicking add menu item. A menu item corresponds to these. And if you're not using Debutify yet, get started today at debutify.com completely free. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to support inside the Debutify app.